Are you searching for the best blender for mixed drinks? You are in the right place for getting valuable information on the best blender for mixed drinks. We recommended the top 4 best blender for mixed drinks in this video. All of them are maintaining quality. If you want to buy the best blender for mixed drinks, we think the list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Ninja Nutri Bowl Duo. If you like to take your Frosty blend with you to the gym or work, it does an outstanding job of making snow like crushed ice in less than a couple of minutes. It also comes with two 24-ounce jar and one 14-ounce jar, which all are dishwasher safe. This well-built blender's 14-ounce jar has two arms inside the jar, which you can move by the manually turning the knob on the top side to help push food off of the jar walls. It can break down frozen bananas to make a silky smoothie in no time too. Hand cleaning is very easy too, even if you have made sticky food like nut butter. Number 2. Margaritaville Key Concoction Maker. It is one of the best blender for making up to 2.5 pitcher of frozen concoctions and has a 4 pre-programmed drink settings. Moreover, it is automatically blends, or you can manually blend the ice to your desire. Consequently, the easy pour jar prevents dipping and slipping, and all parts are dishwasher safe. It has an extra large ice reservoir. It includes automatic shave on blend circle and manual blend only. Its easy pour jar allows to you mix your concoction and then just pop open the hatch and pour it. Measures 9 by 14 by 19 inches. 1 year limited warranty and powered by 450 watts. Number 3. Oster Fusion Blender. This is a powerful and unique blender packed with 600 watt motor and a 6-point stainless steel ice crusher blade that blends and pulverizes almost anything from frozen fruit to harnessed nut in the less time. The powerful blade roasted both clockwise and anti-clockwise with 7 different speeds promises to offer restaurant quality blended drinks. The 40-ounce broadcast glass jar is thermal shock tested and scratch resistant and free from odor. The uniquely designed pitchers and the 6-cup jar both are dishwasher safe and can withstand extreme temperature. The cup is blend lid can be utilized as a measuring cup holding up to ounce. At assure lasting and durable performance with a 10 years limited warranty. Number 4. ECOC Professional Countertop Blender. This is one of the best blender that has an excellent performance. At 10.4 pounds, it is one of the heavier side. The 1400 watt motor is fairly strong with 3 manual speed and 3 presets, including dedicated ice crush and smoothie buttons. It automatic overheating protection and a strong 6-strip stainless steel blade assembly, plus a large 70-ounce plastic pitcher made of BPA-free dishwasher safe Titan. Its all-metal drive effectively crush ice. This blender is not a great-looking machine with a cheap-feeling black plastic body and a cranky switch and dial interface. The model is up with a 2 years warranty.